Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to MarieLee TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my authentic Jamaican rice and peas. So first things first, coconut milk. So this coconut milk is native forest. I'm going to throw up a video at the end of me in the store comparing coconut milk. This is the best yet. So main ingredient. This one said it's organic, so I think we'll be fine there. The next thing I do want to show, this is my peas, already cooked. So what I do, I cook them and parcel them, put them in the freezer. So I just took this out the freezer. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, look at this. Very creamy. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a cup and a half of water. As you can see there, that's some really rich coconut milk. So don't worry, once the water boils, the ice will dissolve from the peas and then it'll definitely give it a different color. Okay guys, take a look at that. So now that the peas is fully dissolved, time to herbs and spices in. So, of course, you're going to need some scallion. Then the next thing you make sure you have it's some thyme. Now I have 2 cubes of crushed garlic. Next thing I'm going to add to it is pimento seed. And don't forget, you need that pepper. Okay. So guys, the rice and peas is ready, and you know I have to do a taste test for you. So let's get right to it. Wow, and it's steaming. I hope you can see the steam. So let's see what I got. It's very flavorful. I can definitely taste the coconut, and that's exactly what you want to taste, but it's not overbearing. I taste the garlic, a dash of the pimento, and of course it has the right amount of salt. So I'm going to be pairing this with some curry goat. I do have a video with how to make the authentic Jamaican curry goat, so scroll right over and check that out, and make sure you pair it with some rice and peas, and let me know when you make the combo. Comment down below if you've ever made rice and peas like this, or just let me know what you want me to make next. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Let's check the ingredients out. Well, it says organic, light, gluten-free, vegan, water, organic, coconut. Oh, there's gum. Okay, not bad. Let's look at something else. Okay, so let's see this one that's not organic. Coconut extract, water, guar gum, distilled monoglyceride, polysorbate, sodium. Man, this one has a lot of stuff. First one was $3.19. This one is $4.19. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Oh, right here. This one even looks better than the ShopRite brand because it has organic coconut milk, filtered water, organic coconut, organic guar gum. Yeah, this is actually better than the ShopRite brand, guys. And this one is native forest. So even though it's $4.19, I'm gonna get this one because I'm gonna use it to make some Jamaican rice and peas, which I'll show you one of these days.